been working on the loft for a little bit, and I got all of the floor joists up. Now I'm just cutting them to the length I want. I thought I was cutting them all the right length when I started, but it ends up being, you know, about 5 or 6 inches too long to get that board down there. That's about where it goes, but still working on this. Once I get the end board on here, then I should be able to be in pretty good shape, straightening all these things out, getting them lined up and everything. Got just a bunch of 2x12s and 2x4s and stuff, 16-footers up there, making a deck for now. I guess saves me a bunch on plywood if I just have a bunch of extra dimensional lumber laying around. And down here, that board is on the opposite side of the other side. I put all of them on the inside, or the far side from me first, and then when I got them all up, these kind of were sagging some, and so I wanted to bring those up. So I put another board on this side, lifted them all up, and secured that one in there. I'll probably put a board on both sides just to make it a little more stout. But that's what we're doing so far. All the post holes are posted and, you know, backfilled and everything. I didn't put concrete under them. I just threw a rock down in there and tightened it down, smashed it down with a bar, and I don't think they're going anywhere. Especially once we get the concrete poured on top of there, they'll be all locked in pretty good. Hey, thanks for watching. Why don't you leave a comment?